Today's house we love and are excited to share is in the region of Abruzzo. It's new on the market and has an incredible asking price of just €19,000. So, if you're seriously interested, you might want to move quickly because this beautiful home most likely won't last on the market long. We apologise for the realtor's watermarks and hope you can see this impressive house despite them. Unfortunately, there's nothing we can do to remove them as we're not the realtor. We just like finding and sharing homes. There are 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom within 180 square metres of living space. It's spread over 2 floors and has a bonus cellar and vaulted warehouse, which need to be restored. Set in a beautiful medieval village, it's about 35 minutes to the coast, about an hour and a half to Pescara Airport, and within a few hours' drive of several national parks. If you'd like more details about this property, please see the video notes below for a link to the realtor's original listing and contact information. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with more exceptional Italian homes for sale for under €150,000.